what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to walk you through what I eat in a day. So let's go. It's a breakfast time. I am having a peanut butter toast which I made at home and topped it with bananas. With that I'm having my coffee and yeah, that's it. How I make peanut butter at home is just I take handful of peanuts and some almonds. I mix it both until it forms creamy, and for a little bit of sweetness I add honey, and that's it. So that's it for breakfast. I will see you at lunch. For lunch I am making chola tikki. For that I'm gonna mash some potatoes. Then I'm gonna add chidwa and some grated carrots and finely chopped capsicum. Now some spoon of oats and salt, some red chili powder and some chaat masala, and yeah, mix it all together until it looks something like this. Now make some small tikkis, something like this. You can adjust the size and then toss it, and now add cholas on top of it. This is like a normal chickpea recipe, and then you would add some yogurt and some spices, and yeah, the best part is imli ka chaat and some onions. That's it, the meal is ready. So it's lunch time. It's currently 1:30. So I'm going to have my lunch and it's chola tikki, one of the most favorite things, and I have like great Indian taste buds, so I love chaats. Before having lunch I always make sure to have a glass of water so that mera appetite thoda kam ho jaye and I eat less. That's just my ideology. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and eat my food. It's like super delicious and yet healthy, and I just love it. So I'm going to enjoy my meal and attend my lecture. That's the benefit of online lectures, that you can eat and do whatever you want and still get the attendance. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and see you maybe during snack time. Bye. I ate so much. I had one more extra tikki because it was so tasty. I couldn't resist, and now I have a baby bump. Food bump actually. And yeah, I wanna sleep. Peace. Hi guys, so it's almost 5 and I'm going to have like a tiny bit of snack. So I'm having a bowl of sweet corn. This has chili, salt and what else? Nimbu. I love nimbu, so I just add like a spoonful of lemon and that's it. I'm gonna have this as a snack. I almost have this every day. Either I'll put like veggies or just plain ones. So today I had plain ones. So yeah, these are my go-to snack items. It's amazing. I wanted to have coffee and make some amazing coffee, but मैंने सुबह ही coffee पी है, so I don't want to have like 2 cups of coffee a day because it is super addictive. So I'll resist myself just with water. Also I'm making something really yummy for dinner, so watch out for it. Take the equal amount of rice flour. I have taken like 2 spoons of rice flour and 2 spoons of whole wheat flour. Add some salt and form a dough out of it. Now take some onions and cabbage and grated paneer. add momo masala. I'm using from Century. You can use any momo masala, and then add salt, and yeah, mix it well. Now make some small rotis and then put the masala in and secure it. Give it any shape you like. I have made something like this, and yeah, that's it. For the chili momos, you gotta put some oil or ghee and then add sesame seeds. Now add soya sauce and 2 spoons of Szechuan sauce. And yeah, mix it well until it looks something like this. Then toss the momos in and you're done. So it's dinner time and you already saw what I made. I made momos and these are like really healthy. At least I feel like that because it has paneer, which is a great source of protein for vegetarian. And it's made of wheat and rice flour, which is again like okayish, better than maida. So these are the chili momos that I made and let me just taste it. Insane. These are the ones that I tried for the first time and it's yum. Enjoy my meal, like this much momo and I'm done. And I'll watch something actually together. Steam momos are also classic. Let me know if you guys like steam momos or fried momos. I'm a steam momo person. I don't like fried momos. I'm sorry if you're watching this at night. I'm just gonna crave for momos. So it's almost 8 that I'm having my dinner. I've kept doing intermittent fasting for a while now. I have to restart it again because I feel much lighter when I'm doing intermittent fasting. But right now, I just feel like eating. So I will hear my body and do what my body says. So I'm gonna eat peacefully. We'll see you later. The momos were spicy and I'm having this right now. This is not a kada, this is basically water and coffee and ice.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
मैंने सुबह ही coffee पी है, so I don't want to have like 2 cups of coffee a day. Pretty sure you won't like the taste of it, but I love coffee, so I love it, guys. मेरे घर में और कोई नहीं पी सकता है. So I'm gonna end this video on a sweet note. I'm gonna have a piece of dark chocolate. So I usually crave sweets during night, so I either have a piece of chocolate or some days I feel like having a cake, so I make like a biscuit cake. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna have just a piece of it. I love bitter things. I love dark coffee. I love dark chocolate. I'm like really bitter person. So I'm gonna call it a day, and yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. You know the drill. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.